Magandang araw mga kababayan. Gusto ko lang sabihin na pag pangit ang ginagawa ng ating gobyerno ay pinupunan natin, pero pag maganda naman ay pinupuri natin. This time napawaw ako sa ikinaganda ng Pasig River dahil tagal ito at ilang dekada naging napakarumi at napakabaho ng Pasig River, pero ngayon ay napawaw ako sa ikinaganda nito at sana ay magtuloy-tuloy na malinis ang Pasig River. Maganda ang ginawang proyektong ito ng ating gobyerno. Panoorin natin.
To formally begin our program, may we call on the co-chairman of the Interagency Council for Pasig River Urban Development, MMDA Chairman, Attorney Romando Artes, to deliver his welcome remarks.
His Excellency, President Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr., First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos, Secretary Jose Rizalino Acosar, Senators, Agency Secretaries, Metro Manila Mayors, fellow public servants, and esteemed guests, good afternoon. Executive Order Number 35, Series of 2023, under the instructions of our President, led to the creation of the Interagency Council for the Pasig River Urban Development, composed of DHSUD as Chair of the Council and MMDA as Vice Chair, and different agencies as members. The Pasig River Urban Development is a priority project of the administration under the guidance of our dear First Lady, consisting of initiatives to rehabilitate and enhance the quality of life along the banks of the Pasig River, its tributaries, and surrounding communities. The government now is leading this drive with minimum financial exposure, fueled by our collective efforts with the private sector. Previous attempts have been made to revitalize the Pasig River, yielding varying degrees of progress. The experiences from this past have provided valuable insights that guide our actions this time, culminating into this event. I now have the privilege to welcome you all today with great enthusiasm and pride as we gather to inaugurate the initial result of our hard work, the showcase area for the Pasig River Urban Development. This showcase area in front of you is more than a concrete structure and green spaces. It sends a powerful message that we are committed to creating a metropolis where every resident can thrive and where nature and development can coexist harmoniously. We are committed not only enhancing the aesthetics of the Pasig River, we are adopting a holistic strategy that extends beyond the river surrounding, with central emphasis on improving the water quality within the river itself. We are bringing back to life the river, consistent with our mandate under EO 35, Pasig Bigyang Buhay Muli. Today marks a promising beginning to the year, shining a spotlight on our dedication to shaping a bagong Pilipinas and guided by the vision of this administration to build better more. This is only the beginning of our transformative journey. Let us forge ahead toward a more vibrant and resilient Metro Manila and the whole nation together. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
President and the First Lady are now passing through the transition bridge, which serves as the focal point of the whole development, highlighting an impended route for our pedestrians and cyclists. The President and the First Lady just passed under William A. Jones Memorial Bridge and is now at the Esplanade and witnessing a stellar performance of the De La Salle Santiago Zubel Rondalia. once again, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., together with the First Lady, Luis Araneta Marcos. Let's give them a round of applause. We may now be seated. Good evening and welcome to the ceremonial launching of the Pasig Bigyang Buhay Muli Pasig River Urban Development Showcase Area here at Ermita, Manila.